Hey buddy, how's it going? It's Macau Boggles back on YouTube again. Today I got this 1962 Cadillac here. Gonna see if we'll start. Hasn't been running in a while since winter. So hope for the best. Alright, here goes nothing, ladies and gentlemen. Well, don't sound right. No way! Yeah, folks. Alright, that's it. Let's go back it up and yeah. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this super cool start of this car, and we'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.